Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It's a fresh year, fresh start. I feel so much more motivated now. This year I have so many fun things for you guys, so many cool ideas, so much more to come from me, and thank you so much for the support last year. Last year is really when I dived into YouTube like head first and really went for it, and you guys really supported me every step of the way, so thank you so much. We're in a new year now and I'm so excited. I can just feel good vibes from this, so I'm not gonna jinx it, but you know, it's good to be optimistic. This one is an old challenge, but I feel like it's very appropriate for like my style of makeup, and just to show you guys like what I can do in 5 minutes, see if I can actually do it, because my thing is mostly like bare minimal kind of makeup, but I'm gonna try and do as much as I can in 5 minutes. Like, we'll just see, and I'm gonna do it real time, so I'm not gonna pause the clip. Maybe if it cuts out, I'll literally stay still and try and get it back running, because sometimes it just cuts, I don't know why. If you're new here, please do smash that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna put my phone on Do Not Disturb so no one tries to call me. Hopefully my favorites don't either. There we go, 5 minutes. I've got a few bits next to me, so yeah, I'll just be grabbing those as I go. I have no idea what I even want to start with first. But yeah, let's just start. Like, let me just do it. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, foundation first. I'm gonna use a little bit. Oh my gosh, I don't even have a mirror. Oh, wait, I don't even... Okay, wait. Okay, this is what I'm gonna have to work with. This brush is the easiest brush. I don't put it myself. This brush is the easiest brush because it just like diffuses it very evenly. I can't even talk. Let me not even talk because I'll lose focus. I wasn't gonna do foundation, but why not? Very natural foundation, one of my favorites. Is actually like, I think top up there as one of my favorites right now, and I think it will be for a long time. Okay, I think that's very well blended. I think that's done. That was 1 minute. Okay, concealer, NARS Radiant, ever so slightly. Use my fingers as well. This is as if I keep forgetting how to talk. This is as if I was just like leaving for the house. Literally the bus was in 5 minutes and I needed to do my face. People don't like using their fingers, but your fingers are literally the best tool you have. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's well. Okay, go for an overall like powdery situation. So it's got highlight and bronzer in. Oh my gosh, it's not blending. Okay, it's blended. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, it's just gone 3 minutes on, 2 minutes left on. Okay, I'm panicking now. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna try to do blush. I'm trying to do it in order of, oh my gosh, my brushes fell. Order of like priorities, what I would want to leave the house with. But, oh my gosh, the brush went in. Blush. Eyebrows. Okay, this is the worst product I could have picked for this. It's the Fenty eyebrow thing. But I'm gonna have to use it now. I actually don't like using this product, but oh, it's not making my eyebrows look nice. Oh no. No, that will do. 2 minutes. Okay, I have quite a bit of time actually. Okay, mascara. Okay. This mascara is like, I had it for a while. It's so underrated. I just fell in love with it just like recently. The PIXI one. I'll insert all the names for everything I'm using, because I can't exactly like mention it because I'm trying to concentrate. such a natural light. It doesn't clump. Well, it just clumped actually. Okay, it does clump, but only if you really go for it. It's very good at giving natural. Oh my gosh, I'm really overdoing it now. Okay, let me stop. 1 minute. What do I need? Lip gloss. What else do I need? Is there anything wrong? Maybe a bit more blush actually. Don't even like this shade. It's not my go-to shade. I literally just picked products. A bit more bronzer actually. 50 seconds. I've basically finished. I could maybe add a bit of eyeshadow in my bronzer actually. Eyeshadow. I can maybe add some eyeshadow in my crease, but I don't have a brush. Brush. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh gosh, 30 seconds, okay. Maybe add some dimension, you know what I mean? Maybe could have added a liner as well, but we move. Bronzer, I need more bronzer. I'm not seeing it, you know? I'm falling off my seat. Oh, my eyebrows look a mess. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that was done. I actually did my face in 5 minutes and it's blended. Wait, let me just overview it real quick before I start making statements. So just looking at the condition of my skin and my face after that, my foundation is blended close to perfectly, I won't even lie. The brush I used was the Sigma Flat Kabuki. Honestly, you need a Kabuki brush if you're in a rush because it just blends it, diffuses it so nicely, makes your job so much quicker. And the bronzer situation, maybe could have blended a bit more. My eyebrows, don't like my eyebrows. That product, I just don't like that Fenty eyebrow product. It's just not a bit of me. But just brushing it up could have just done, but I really tried to do something and it didn't work. But it's fine. The mascara, very natural, love it. It's the PIXI large lash mascara, literally. The blush is fine. I went for a bronzer and a blush that had glitter in it, so I didn't have to do highlights separately, which is why I look very like dewy and glowy and nice. The lips are simple, just some Marc Jacobs lip gloss. The concealer's actually blended. I'm really surprised I didn't have time to set it. I never really set it anyway for like every day. But overall, that was actually good. I'm actually really impressed. Didn't think it would be that long anyway, but didn't think it would be that quick either. So yeah, that just shows that you can do your face in 5 minutes. And yeah, I might try and do it in 5 minutes every time now because I know I can. I think the more you do it in 5 minutes or practice, the quicker you'll be, and you'll learn like new tricks like using the Kabuki brush, blending with your fingers and stuff like that. So just try it out and just save some time and try perfect it whilst you can. So that was a nice little quick video to start the year. Just wanted something fun, light, you know, the usual. I have so much exciting stuff for you guys. I can't even, like, I'm getting excited. I just want to film all of it right now, but I'm not going to, I'm going to space it out. But yeah, you'll see a lot of me, a lot more information from me, and I hope so far you've enjoyed what I've produced, but it's time to level up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, have a good week.